Hi, just a very quick chat about intruder detection systems or intruder alarm systems. So typically you want to detect the intruder and then signal an alarm to let a monitoring station or your mobile phone or somebody know that somebody's in part of a building where they shouldn't be. Um, ComSec are PSA registered. We have our SR40 and are fully compliant with the requirements of ISO 50131. Um, so if you're looking for advice or guidance on intruder detection and alarm systems, please get in touch. We can help you out with it, from the most basic small shop to large scale commercial building. We can help you out with that. Typically we have tended to stick with commercial and industrial work in relation to intruder alarms, because that's where we have our particular expertise. So if that's something you need and something you want to have a discussion with, please reach out, contact us, and we can talk you through your various options. Thanks very much.